wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best paternity tests. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. The identigene DNA kit promises 100% accuracy within 2 days of receiving the samples at the lab. You can choose the way you prefer to receive your results, whether that's online or by speaking to someone on the phone. It comes with a detailed final report and responsive customer service reps, but the additional lab fees are expensive. At number 6, the Rapid DNA testing kit uses a laboratory that analyzes 22 different markers and then tests every sample twice with separate lab teams to help ensure a correct report. The company stands behind the results with a money-back guarantee. Your confidentiality is guaranteed. However, despite the name, the turnaround is slower than expected and the instructions are unclear. Coming in at number 5 on our list, DNA Direct Solutions promises you a completed reliable analysis in as little as 2 business days. After sending your swabs in the free return mailer, you simply register online and wait for your report to arrive in your email. This one comes in plain white packaging and there are discounts for legally binding tests, but it's not to be used in New York State. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for paternity tests, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, the KinTouch Instant is a new technology that allows you to keep your DNA at home and get answers within 10 minutes. The test determines first-degree kinship, so it can be used to identify paternity, but this type of test is not yet accepted by the legal community. It works with a simple finger touch and includes 2 cartridges. A free app analyzes your data. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Paternity Depot Kit arrives in discreet packaging and is sold directly from a certified lab to help ensure accurate results for your test. The affordable one-time payment handles all costs up front to help you stay within your budget. The results are guaranteed and there are discounts for additional children, but it sometimes takes longer than 5 days. At number 2, the STK Test Kit is a top choice for confidential at-home DNA collection. All lab fees are included with the purchase of the kit, so there are no additional hidden costs. You can rest easy knowing that your results will be at your fingertips in no time. You get a full-color hard copy report with this one, and 16 DNA loci are verified. It promises 99% accuracy. And coming in at number 1 on our list, My Forever DNA analyzes 24 DNA markers, plus they independently test any exclusions twice for the most accurate results they can provide. Not only are the laboratory costs a part of the kit, but they include a free postage-paid mailer. This one comes with a helpful customer service line and fast access to your online report. It's performed by an AABB-accredited lab. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for paternity tests, or simply click beneath this video.